Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I want to share a day in the life of an account executive working from home with an emphasis on the mental health. And I hope this video can inspire and motivate you. Also, stick till the end of the video because I'll share my productivity tip that I started to recently incorporate into my work schedule. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hope you enjoy this day with me. I really like to wake up and have a slow morning, and if I need to wake up a little bit earlier, I will definitely do that just to make sure I have enough time for a delicious breakfast. For me, having a homemade breakfast, a cup of coffee, and a time with myself is what helps me to set my mindset to the right vibe. I usually do scroll through the phone while I eat, and it's definitely something I want to stop doing. So if you were able to get rid of the habit, let me know because I feel like I'm so useless when I just sit and eat and don't consume any information from my phone. Each morning, I like to spend time doing my makeup, hair, hanging out with my dog who helps me make my bed in the morning, and just get into a positive mood. I believe that how you start your day will determine where it will take you and how you will be able to handle difficult or stressful situations. Try to find what can make you a little bit happy and start incorporating that into your daily routine.
This is it for my hair and my makeup. I am just doing a little bit, but I do that every single morning. It takes me about like 15 minutes or so. And if you ask me like, Anna, you're working from home, why the heck would you worry about your makeup and your hair? Well, I actually spend a lot of time during the day on Zoom and have to have my camera on either with my clients or my team. So this is a must for me. And here is my little Cashew here. He's always helping me, right, Cashew?
And then go to select my outfit. I usually choose something very simple and comfortable for me to sit and work from home. And I also do go on a morning walk with my dog before my work starts. And even though sometimes it's definitely not something I want to do, especially if it's cold or rainy outside, but I know it's a way to refresh my mind, get some physical exercise, and make my dog happy because it's his favorite part of the day. So even though you might not have a dog, I highly recommend you to take those 5-10 minute walks in the morning. Taking a moment to just breathe, not looking at my phone or my computer, slowing down is honestly works because your mindset changes and your life events just follow it. So try to do that as well, and let me know in the comments below if you have that one habit that you do every single morning. Once I'm back, I start logging into my computer, start working around 9 o'clock, usually catch up on any emails that I got overnight, look at my schedule for the day, and set priorities with what needs to be done first. And here it's me smiling because I messed up someone's email when I was leaving a voicemail. It's happening to me so often, it's crazy.
I am supposed to have a meeting with my client in like 30 minutes. Wait, already 20 minutes. And my computer was acting really weird for some reason. So what I did is I decided to obviously restart it, and now it's updating. Like, it's so annoying. Every time that happens, I have a meeting with a client or just with the team, and it's been already sitting there for like 10 minutes and updating. I feel like I'll have to reschedule, which is probably annoying for the client, but what am I supposed to do? All right, quick update. So I had like 9 minutes before the meeting, right? And I was like, okay, I'm just gonna email the client to make sure they're not waiting for me, and at least I have them some time so they can, do their other stuff. I'm like, okay, I apologize. I have some technical difficulties with my computer and unfortunately I cannot join. So I sent the email, and you know what happens? Literally in 5 seconds, my computer turns on. Okay, let's stay positive. There is nothing I personally can do about this, so I'm just gonna take it as is, go with my day, and make sure those things are not affected in any way at all.
I also drink a lot of water during the day, and here I'm getting ready for my very first meeting.
I also wanted to talk a little bit about some of the productivity things that I do during the day because I do work from home for the most part. And sometimes it's really hard to not only just concentrate on your work, but make sure that you are staying productive. Not necessarily just sending out like lots of emails or making as many calls as you can, but also kind of correlating the work that you do with the value that you bring, in my case, to my clients that I work with. In the past, what I used to do is I used to have my calendar and I would have it wide open for anyone, whether my team or my clients, to schedule meetings with me. And I would literally have like 5 to 6 meetings during the day. And just to give you a perspective here, at least one of my meetings go anywhere from 30 minutes to an hour. So imagine talking for 5 hours straight during the day. I have my camera on, I'm on Zoom, so you have to be really well put together. You have to talk, you have to smile. So you really give them a lot of your own energy. And by the end of the day, I am so exhausted. I wanted to change that a little bit. And I started to make the approach of blocking off time. I'm like a really morning person. What I do is my best times for like productive work is from 9 to 11 o'clock. This is where I send majority of my emails, I do follow up with my clients, and I make calls. After 12, I usually do meetings with my clients, and then closer to the end of the day, I kind of catch up on anything that needs to be done or have meetings too. If you guys have any tips, or if you have a specific way of blocking off your time or just staying productive during the day and actually completing your work on time, share it in the comments down below, because I'm always down to improving my day-to-day schedule. I just finished up my meeting, and honestly guys, I spoke to one of the nicest ladies ever. Like I think at the end she thanked me like 5 times for my time. I'm just so thankful at the end of the day that these kind of people exist, because they just change up your life a lot. And now I am so hungry, so I just got to the kitchen. Want to eat something like a snack or something, so let's see what we have here. So I will be eating this salad, which is so good. It's with avocado and lots of different nuts. So I'm just gonna eat that and go to my next meeting. I have one left and we'll be done for the day. And I am done with this work day. I am so excited and exhausted at the same time, to be honest. It was an hour-long meeting. I really enjoyed it, but sometimes it's so hard to just keep talking and talking. And I'm just excited to take my cashier here for another walk. He needs to do his business. I need to breathe and relax and just get my mind off all of the work-related stuff, and just really enjoying the time spending outside while it's not that cold. And I definitely recommend you to do that too. I am done for the day. Oh my god, it was such a long day, and hi. And I am just so tired because I had about 5 really long meetings today. And now what am I gonna do? Right, I have to cook something, so I'm just gonna make dinner. Still figuring out what I want to make, so we'll see. But also planning to go to the gym, so I'm gonna cook right now, go to the gym, and then we're gonna call it a day. So yeah, we'll see how that's gonna go. But my little one is really tired too, right? We're sleeping all day. And I totally forgot to record my dinner, but I did make it. But I will be honest guys, this is me in the gym on the next day, because I couldn't get up, I couldn't do anything, I was just laying in bed, I'll be honest. So this is me on the next day in the gym. I made it because yesterday was not my day, and then I just went straight to the bed.
Thank you for spending this day with me today. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, and I'll see you in my next one very soon.